I have here GOL dot John H. Stevens, born June 13, 1820, died May 28, 1900. First settler in the city of Minnesota. And that's the gentleman. So, we have a first settler in Minnesota. How long that country was built and how many people they was building that country, and we're not even teaching our children who these people were. And I have a few yards from here another one, another big statue, bigger than the first one. And so I will show it to you before I will get to this waterfalls. We will know whole stuff. Who built that? What do you think? I'm so happy I can introduce you that, and I am so happy I am learning that. So the thing is, sun is coming from east, and the statue, they are just opposite. So I will show it to you a little further. Yeah, like that. It's beautiful, and I will see it. Who is that? Is the Gunnar Weinsberg. Well, I don't know who is that, but I never heard about this person. But maybe when we will study a little bit history, we will find out. Don't you think? Just study history. American history. Before we will go to Paris or any other places. Study our history first. If you know our history, and after that world history, you will know a lot. And I will show you the nice alley. Well, hopefully they will bring me to the waterfall. Today's videos, I will try make it nice for you. Less talk, more show it. Your daddy is running here. Good morning, sir. I feel like in paradise. Well, I am in paradise. And I can hear water, but I don't know that waterfall, but probably. Another park, and the gate. I don't know where the steps go. Excuse me, where is the steps going?
It's closed off, so you can't get anywhere from them.
No?
You get down about
to the bottom and it's chained off.
Oh, okay. And where is the waterfall?
Back this way just a little bit. If you keep coming this way,
This way around or yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. These are nice people. They help you everywhere. Yeah. So I love this country because people, they are very nice.
Where are you from?
Oh, I'm from Miami now, but I do podcast.
Okay.
So I'm filming this everything. I hope you will be okay with that.
Yeah.
Because you will be in it.
We'll be on your podcast.
You will be in my podcast, yeah.
Are you a YouTuber?
Yes.
You are?
Yes.
No way!
Yeah. You see, he knows everything.
Yeah.
See this little boy on YouTube.
Watch YouTube.
Okay, so I will give you my name and you can find me.
What is your name?
Okay, let me talk to this boy.